What's up, today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of GJ. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in GBP, JPY. Now, on the lower time frame perspective, we could potentially see a significant trading opportunity as GJ is showing a very strong bullish price action. With that said, let's see first of all higher time frame which way GJ is heading, and then we'll come back to this time frame to see how we can trade GBP, JPY. Now, starting with bigger picture monthly as usual that we do all the time. Now, what do you see that GBP, JPY on the monthly perspective over the long term? It is a bullish market. You can see that the price creating series of higher high and higher low starting from here. This is a long term move followed by this retracement and consolidation, and then we have seen another move followed by retracement, and we have seen that proper retest of this previous resistance here as a support. And we see GBP JPY currently after the back to back 2 months retracement, this month the price now started to push up. The bulls again found support to buy, and we see that from this monthly level of support, GJ now heading to the upside. Now, the way the price action is forming on the lower time frame perspective and higher time frame perspective, we could potentially see a breakout to the upside on GBP JPY. So on the monthly, we see currently a bullish move according to the trending direction of the market. Now, weekly perspective, we have seen that GBP JPY with this weekly move has created this nice looking bull flag that has we have seen now breaking to the upside with that big long candle. This is the weekly candle which is not closed still yet, but what we see that we could potentially see a big move on GBP JPY as this is a full body green and looks like that is breaking out of this bull flag, and we could potentially see further move on to the upside on the weekly perspective. If you look at the daily, this is where we have seen a liquidity grab on the daily time frame with a gap opening on the lower time frame, and from this daily level of support, it's a long term support. You can see the support here, support here, support here. It's a long term support, and after this moving to this zone, to this level of support, we have seen that GBP JPY has broken to the upside with this liquidity grab followed by this bullish engulfer. Now today, as soon as the market opened, we have seen that the bulls started to push the price up. Now if we look at the structure, the technical perspective, we see that GBP JPY was respecting this trend line on the daily time frame for a long period of time. Resistance here, resistance here. Now with that daily candle, with that weekly candle, we have seen that GJ basically has broken out of this resistance, and today we have seen a little bit of retest on the lower time frame perspective, and then we have seen that GBP JPY currently pushing high. Now if you look at the a 4 hour time frame on the lower time frame perspective, where we can find an entry opportunity, we have seen that GBP JPY has grabbed liquidity from here. This is a big move happen followed by this slow retracement, and we have seen last session we have seen a textbook bullish engulfer that has crossed the low of this candle and crossed the high of the candle, closed with a full body red. According to the rules of our strategy, we see that GBP JPY has created a nice looking a bullish price action, and we could potentially see a further move on this one, as after a bullish engulfer we are expecting a doji in this zone, and with that doji before closing or after closing, as soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity from this zone, we'll consider going long on GBP JPY with our students with a high risk to reward ratio. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.